Hey, happy Friday the 13th, and it is Flatbread Friday the 13th. And today, I had some basil in my garden, and I bought some grape tomatoes from Misfits Market that are ready to go, and also a fresh mozzarella ball from Misfits Market, and also a pizza crust from Misfits Market that I said before. And today we are going to make a classic Caprese pizza. So follow along. We're going to have fun. We have our artisan pizza crust from Misfits Market. It's going to get all nice and crispy on us. We're going to put down some sauce first. Okay, sauce is down, and now we're going to put our cheese. This is my 4-cheese pizza blend, or you could use mozzarella, or whatever Italian cheese you'd like to use on this. So the pizza's down, and now we are going to add, I have these cherry tomatoes, and we're going to just place those all around. Our tomatoes are nicely dispersed, and now we're going to take the fresh mozzarella that I cut into, random sized cubes, and we're just going to kind of stick them in between these tomatoes. And because fresh mozzarella is bland, I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt and pepper, a little more. And then we're going to drizzle it with a little tiny bit of olive oil to keep things from drying out. And now we're going in the oven, 400 for about 20 minutes, or actually 425, and we'll be right back. While the pizza bakes, we're going to make our chiffonade. I think I have to divide this into 2 piles because there's quite a bit here. So anyway, if you remember how to make a chiffonade, you pile your basil leaves, big to small, into a nice pile, roll it into a cigar shape, and then you take a nice sharp knife and you drag it through. I like to go forward instead of backwards, but you can go backwards if you want. I might go backwards on this one, that doesn't seem to be cutting very well. So you just want to drag the knife through and make your little ribbons of basil, because we're going to top our Caprese pizza with this chiffonade. Ready and waiting for our pizza to come out of the oven. Our Caprese pizza is now out of the oven, bubbly, melty, and ready for basil. So here we go. I like a lot. Spread it out evenly. And now we're going to cut it and serve it. We're cut, we're plated, and we are gorgeous. And what we're going to do next is we're going to drizzle this with a little bit of balsamic drizzle, balsamic glaze, and just to give it a little something something. Just a little. And then we're going to garnish it with a couple of beautiful basil leaves, basil flower, basil tops. And there it is, ready to eat, ready to devour, and happy Flatbread Friday. I want to thank you for joining me on another edition of Flatbread Friday, and I know it's Friday the 13th. I hope you all have good luck. Traditionally, Friday the 13th has been a lucky day for me, so I guess I'm lucky, and I hope you're all lucky too. We'll see you again soon.